Lucas here, Lucas here. I see.
You open the door, don't leave me out here like this.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, yeah, oh shit!
Oh shit! Dude, you can see my lips smashed up against the wall. I look stupid. Well, it's not my problem. I think it'll look funnier that way. Is Jay recording? Guys, I'm ready. Okay, let's get started. Let me put my music on. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Clapping so loud. Wait, say something? Jay, you're stupid. Okay, I read your lips. You're so rude. Yeah, I got funfetti. I hope they can hear me. Funfetti. Funfetti. Oh, funfetti cake. Yes. Vanilla icing. Bro, put your hands down. Which one? Wait. This one, okay. Oh, I'm shifting. Trace. I'm shifting.
I'm in the however.
Trace huevos. Was that Lila? That had to have been Lila. How do I say that in Lao? Why is she trying to speak Layla? Yes. I'm gonna send Lila over here. Why is she trying to speak in Lao? Why is she? What are you doing? What are you doing? She's over here. I can hear. Why is she trying to speak? I don't know what she's saying about me, but it's not true. What? I need the ice cream. We're doing the whole egg. Girl, what I look like to you? We're doing the egg white version. What the heck? Okay, I need to open this. Okay. Jay's loud ass music. Do you think I should touch her? I don't even know what's coming. What is she doing to me? Oh, why is she touching me? Am I allowed to start feeling around? Bro, she's like those freaking people who point up and don't reach for the eggs. They're gonna fall. Oh, those are the eggs? Yes. She can hear me. Oh, because the music just changed right now. Oh, it's like nice and soft right now. Oh, this looks so good. Hey, let me see. Oh, wait. Hey, let me get a bite.
I love mint chocolate chips.
Lil, what are you giggling about?
I don't know the rest.
Are you using a knife on me?
Let's put some.
She's making a chili bar. Girl. Did I get the bowl? I heard something. Hey, I want to do that again. Let me do that again. Okay. Oh, wait, right here. We did that, right? 6 eggs. Damn, 6 eggs? That's like a band. A band she don't got. Oil right there. I'm scared with these eggs right in front of her. I don't trust them. Let's just put these in here. Half a cup. Who's she talking to like that? I know it's not me that she's talking to like that. Okay, wait. Would just stab me. Wait. We're doing 2 servings, just put a full cup. Yeah. She's like touching the ice cream. Did I just touch the bowl? Oh, it's the ice cream. Just lick your finger, bro. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so that was ice cream. Layla! Oh my, put it in that freaking bowl! What are you doing? What'd she do? Layla, what'd you do? Oil on the floor. And see, I thought I'd be the one to do that, but no, it's bro. Okay, so Layla's gonna clean that. Or should we make Angelina? I hope she likes this. What is your problem? You want me to mix?
You should crack the eggs. Yes, you.
Okay.
Pointing at herself like an idiot.
Okay, what was that though?
So you use a spatula.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I forgot the oil's right here.
Dude, I hope she's the one who freaking slipped on that.
Mix it. Yes.
Okay.
Layla can crack the eggs.
Is it cracked? I can't tell if it's cracked. I'm just gonna start mixing.
Dude, I dropped a bunch of ice cream when I was skimming it, bruh. Yeah, you.
Me? Damn, what are you doing?
I can't hear it. I need to clean this ice cream that I spilled.
You spilled ice cream? I hope I'm not standing on it.
Okay, I shaped the ice cream.
Layla, tell me if I'm standing
Now
on
we
it.
have to freeze it.
Is this Jay? Jay, what are you doing here? That's alright. Are you... Where'd you go?
What's
Did
wrong with you?
someone- Oh, she's over here.
What's... Ah! Your nails. What do you need?
I'm trying to... The spoon is gone.
Do you know what she's saying? What?
I can't find the spoon. Someone took it from me and never gave it back. Oh, found it. I hope I just didn't stick my tongue out at random.
Okay. The ice cream is shaped. We gotta put it in the freezer. Hello? Oh, never mind. Ha, we're good. What? Are you on her phone?
Oh, she's on my phone?
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Who's on my phone? Where is it? I'm gonna find one of you. There's- Oh, where am I right now? Is this... Okay, this is the fridge.
Bro.
Oh shit. I need a burn.
Wait, it's gonna be slippery right here. I just wiped the floor because I
Here?
spilled ice cream. Oh, and there's also oil right here. What?
Where's what?
Girl, I don't know what you're saying. The fuck?
Or she doesn't stupid. Oh! That's Jay.
Why are you touching me?
Where's the counter? Not this counter, right? I'm feeling that.
How did you even spill this oil? What the heck?
Oh, over here.
It's not like you're the blind one.
I feel like I'm being called like a dog. This isn't not okay. Whoever's tapping, thank you. Probably Layla. Or not, because who knows where Layla is.
Wait, I'm gonna eat some. Don't mind me.
Eat what? Greedy ass. She's right next to me, right? What was that? That was a gust of wind. Are you blowing things in my face? She's blowing me, people. I hope you saw that. When you replay, it's gonna be Jay blowing me. She won't mind if I snap. He'll just.
Why are you guys?
Why are you touching my chin? Was that you?
What?
Did you? Was that
What?
you?
Anyways,
What is she doing?
350.
At this nightmare right now.
We're doing 2 pans.
Oh, yeah, the ball.
This
I'm
one
gonna
wasn't
taste
washed.
this.
Angelique, can you wash it? Bro, why are you dipping your fingers in the batter?
Oh,
Are you a
okay.
child? Bro, can you wash this?
Wash? Okay.
Yeah. She's gonna get salmonella.
I'm supposed to wash both of these?
Yeah, that way.
Oh. Okay.
Anyways.
No breaks in the car.
350. That was so easy.
Oh, I did it.
Bro.
What is she laughing at? Who is she laughing at? What is she laughing at?
Shit, I'm gonna hit you. Watch this.
I already watched all mine.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, she has no idea.
What? Who has no idea? What are you guys doing? I don't. Layla, speak. Talk to me, Layla. Layla, talk to me. If I miss the spot, that's Jay's fault. Where's the thing? Got it. Oh. Hey, we're over here.
Well, this looks like slime.
What looks like slime? Where's the bowl? I want another
It's
taste.
lifting up the bowl. That means it's activating. Don't freaking dip your nasty.
I'm not dipping my finger. I'm trying to feel.
Wait, look, bro. I just saw some powder. You guys are stupid.
Okay, well I'm blind.
Bro,
and
who
Layla
makes
can't-
it? A blind person?
Yeah. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? There she.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Making me do all the work.
Girl, shut up. Anyways, now she's doing it on purpose. Like, you know you're loud and you know you're big and you know you're greedy. Now you just
High five. High five.
I didn't do it.
Wait.
There.
Oh. Is this done? No, it's not. Okay,
What did he say?
hands are buttered.
What did Chef say?
Hands are buttered, oiled up, just like me.
What? Do you hear this guy? Wherever you are, do you hear this guy?
We're gonna actually pour it.
Should I? Should I pour it? Brian or something.
I wonder
after
if
Meg got
my
out of
phone is
jail,
picking up
like-
my music too.
I did good.
Leaking from my headphones.
Is there leftover batter? Because I want some.
อยากมีแฟนต้องทำยังไง
I'm just gonna tap on the bowl. Oh, what is that? What the?
Bro, look at her hand. Done ejaculated up. Bro, you're touching your phone with your. I mean, my phone with your ejaculated
Oh,
hand.
shit.
Stop.
Ejaculated
I think
hand.
this is enough. I think. What are you doing? Dude, what is she doing? Bro, it's so jiggly. It's kind of making me concerned. Bro, if you keep moving like that, I'm gonna put a baby in you.
Bro, if you keep moving on, we're putting baby.
I hope someone got that joke.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in. Don't burn your fingers. Put it on the top.
Come on.
I'm scared. So let's just do 30 minutes. And we'll see. Okay, frosting. Anjali, come on the other side of the table. Damn, you're slow. Bro, echolocation.
Okay, here. Well, that is not the table, though.
Yeah, I don't know what she said.
Right here. Oh, who's next to me?
This is really good.
Ooh,
God,
wait, that was good. That was good.
I was about to peep Layla. I forgot. She got tape on her mouth. This idiot.
Hey, let me get another bite. She's not gonna hear me.
You want more?
Yeah.
This is fire, isn't it? You guys can take some home. We have a box.
Layla, if you're here, tap me twice if everything's in the oven.
Okay, who's Jordan? I don't know what she wants from me.
Is she jork? Okay, is that a yes? I didn't feel a tap. I felt jorked.
Awesome.
Okay, just ignore the blind girl. That's
Why are
my
we
line.
so towards the right?
You have the nerds, you have the jocks, you have the blind. Oh wait, what? No, okay, let me start. Okay. You have the nerds, you have the jocks, you have the cheerleaders, skinny in the middle. You have the mute, you have the deaf, and then there's me.
Wait, should we have candles on our cake too? Yes.
We need
yes?
candles for
Yes or no?
candles.
Yes, candles. Candles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
James,
Oh, there's
next to
the
me.
color. The green. The green for the snakes. Why are you touching me? My bare shoulder too. I'm scared.
What's this?
We don't need that much of the darker one, so we should.
Is this giving Smisky? Are you talking to me?
It needs to be more mixed, but hold on, look.
I don't know if she's talking to.
I think it could be lighter. Who's texting? It's freaking shaded. He has no vibe.
What did he say? What did he say? What did he say? What did he
What?
say? What did
is
did
Diddy?
he say?
Oh!
What did he say? What did he say?
Ah, my thumb is cramping.
She didn't even reply to me. You got the huge.
And then he sent me a reel earlier.
Right, guys.
It was nothing.
He's
What are you
kids.
doing? You actually look crazy, Anjali.
Okay, no one loves me. No one loves me.
I don't know. She's using her hands a lot. I don't know what she's saying.
Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Dude, I lost the frosting.
Bro, you dropped it on the floor. You dropped the whole thing. Swear.
Now I got it.
Wait,
Oh!
I
Where is
don't know
it?
what
Literally,
you're
where is it? If I actually dropped it, oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna just feel around.
There's no way you can move so excellently, excellently, and perfect at the same time. Beautiful. You're beautiful, honey. Keep it moving. Yes.
Yo, thank you, bro. I thought I lost it for real.
This one. Let's show our colors. Let our true colors shine. That one just Justin Timberlake and Anna Kendrick.
Kendrick Lamar.
Oh, Kendrick Lamar. Same thing, whatever. Here's our colors. It's different on camera, but for our Smisky cake, okay? Bro, what is Noah doing?
Isn't Noah
Let's check it. Look at them. Ooh, that hot air.
I can feel
It's
the
like
hot
Anjali's
air.
hot breath.
I can feel them.
Did she even hear me? I thought I was supposed to be the deaf one. Anyways.
I am hearing you. I can feel air.
Wait, do they look done? Hey, don't put your hand in there, bro. Oh my gosh, you better burn herself.
Dude, I'm gonna get flashbang when I take this off. It's so dark. What is she doing?
What if I just like?
What if you what? Wait, what?
Mukbang. Oh, how she sensed that? That was scary. How'd she do that?
I feel like there's. Who's over here?
I'm scared. Oh, she's getting closer. Girl, what?
Oh, that's Jay.
Are you with my dogs?
That was good. That was funny. Put it on her.
You know that clip of Whoa Vicky?
Is she doing Bo Vicky fighting the cart? Cause Bo Vicky be going like this.
Yeah, there's a better view. Look. I don't like how you look.
She's right next to you. What? What? She has no idea what.
Don't play with fire, this one gets final. In your heart, you stuck against a puzzle.
Hey, hey,
I know I'm your favorite.
hey.
Trouble time.
How much time?
And
And she'll get how much time for the cake?
Time 2:30 left.
Okay.
Look at our Smiskies. Wait, my nails look really good right now. Thank you, Layla just agreed.
Is she like performing right in front of me? And what is this? What is on my
Bro,
hand?
you just touched the freaking batter that's still on the table.
Oh, that's batter?
Yeah. Idiot.
Don't call me an idiot. I miss when you call me sweet cheeks. Good boy. Where's your
Bro, chill out. Okay, bro.
Call me
We're taking a break while the cake cools, so we're not disabled anymore.
Finally talk.
Alright.
Oh yeah, we're doing. What are we doing? Oh, keep it straight face.
Poker face.
Poker face challenge to audience. We haven't even started.
Stop laughing at me locking in.
I can't find.
Kissing me so suddenly. I didn't take you for a horny little slut. Fair and square.
This is Yagamiata Davi.
Why do you know?
Could have just let someone else buy
Yo,
you.
scroll. Yo, scroll. I'm getting flashbacks.
Kachan? Yeah? I love you. I love you too. You must to be a #1 hero like All Might.
Why is it always like?
And my second dream is for Kachan to put his tongue in my mouth and swirl it around. And I would pin his tongue down to assert my dominance. And then I would use black
I can
whip.
tell you like being
I would use
dominant.
black whip for my tongue like I did like Asui. I'm going to hit you. Okay. You asked for it. Here I go. Okay.
Guys, stop. Don't shame the cake.
After y'all put some sanitizer on y'all hands, y'all can hold my baby. It's been 4 hours and she's not done doing it.
Wait, stop. Okay, ready? Look, watch this. Watch this.
Damn. Okay.
Nobody's not watching.
Damn.
She about to burn somebody.
It's roasting that. Why are you stuck in Korean?
1, 2, 3.
What is happening? Why can't you take this seriously?
See, it's fine in the front. Just don't look at the back.
You see this puddle?
Bro, party in the back.
This is in the front.
Party in the back.
It's hard.
I got a hand cramp. My tummy's stuck in.
Oh my god. It's a mess.
You saw
This
that,
is a
bro.
mess.
That was actually stuck.
That was not okay. Oh.
Wait, it actually doesn't look that bad, guys. Trust.
Can you even act like it's good?
I got pretty
I gotta sit
Can you
down.
recruit me? It's already recruited.
Bro. No case. Oh my god.
Oh,
Look at that right now. If that's cracked, it was all her.
Dude, I do want to phone though. Dude, it didn't crack.
Dude,
This shit is actually indestructible, bro. Like, I've tried it so many times, it's not the case.
Dude, you got Captain Man as a phone.
Yeah, I'm so I don't open my door with this.
Ah.
Dude, if I were to ever find someone, I'd be with my phone. I'd be with my phone.
Drive by, you just throw your phone out the window.
That shit was my bad at the boomerang. It always comes back to me.
Oh, how does it feel when you drop your phone on your face when you're late? You ain't need a new nose yet or something? Like,
No, that shit was busted my lip when I dropped it on my face.
oh, you have braces too? Oh my god.
But inside my mouth was something else.
I didn't even say.
I'm being serious, that shit beats me up. Like, actually. What? Bro, it's not even that
Jay's the
funny.
friend who keeps laughing when you keep adding jokes, like she can't stop.
Everybody's got that one friend.
Yeah, we're done.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yeah, this is enough.